All right, man. 2021 is almost here in another 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I think it's going to be a good year. I really do got a feeling it's going to be a good year. We're going to be over the COVID, and there's a lot of pent-up demand for people to go shopping, spending, concerts, traveling, buying shit. The economy's going to go rip-roaring into the 20s. Another roaring 20s. Here's another reason why 2021 is going to be a good year. I got them. They're here. Himalo, mahalo. If you or I wanted to go into the fork selling business, I know this seller would be glad to install Fjester's Forks and a white sticker on here. Fjester Forks, spelled Fjorks. It's an idea. It's not a good idea, but it is an idea. 26-inch air suspension air valve right here underneath this. I'll show you a close-up right here. But check this out. They are 2 1/4 inches longer than factory. I've already done all the measurements. This part here fits. Gonna go over this, no problem. The steering tube, same length, it's gonna work. All of this is adjustable. When this is mounted like that, this part here is gonna be up a little bit higher. It's not gonna matter. The bottom bracket of the triple tree is gonna be about right there, so it's not gonna affect our travel. The mounting brackets for the caliper are the exact same measurement. The machining on these right here is better than the machining on here. I think that's part of the problem we're having with the noise and the vibration and the grinding. I just don't think it's all copacetic. The stickers, they gotta go. But man, I gotta tell you, these look like some quality stickers, almost like decals, like the old style decals that we got back in the old days. Boomers will know what I'm talking about, where you had to wet them, soak them in water, and then press them on and peel them off. That's what these kind of look like, but I'm gonna take my heat gun to it as soon as we start editing this video, and I'm gonna get rid of all that crap. Nothing to get excited about on the looks. I removed the badging and stickers and all that stuff, and I gotta be honest with you, if you couldn't tell that this is gonna be 2 1/4 inches longer, there's no difference on the exterior that's noticeable, other than you got 2 red caps, and both of these really work. I gotta order new bearings for this. These came with a star nut, which I wasn't expecting. I didn't read that in the description. I was just looking at measurements to make sure it fits, which is the width and the height and the steering tube. It fits, it's gonna work, it's gonna rock. I want you to check this out. Ready? Can you hear that? Now watch this. I've already done this. I've already measured, but I want you to see this. I already measured it. That's about 100 millimeters. You can see from the dirt on my forks where I've been compressing at, it's about 55 millimeters. A lot more travel, and it's smooth. It feels good. It really does, and I have not adjusted or played with the air. I probably don't need to. I'm probably not even gonna mess with it unless I feel as though I have a problem with it. Nothing I can say bad about these yet. So, we're good to go. For those of you that were on the fence about ordering new forks until I got them or got them on, I would tell you right now, I think you're good to go if you wanted to go ahead and order them. These are gonna work. I don't think it's gonna be a problem, or it won't be any major problems. If you got a problem with these being 2 1/4 inches longer, it's adjustable with these nuts here on the triple tree. So you can move these up and down. Problem being then is you're gonna have a little bit of fork sticking up here. These are aftermarket handlebars. These are not the juiced handlebars. So you might have some issues there, but that can be worked around by rotating the stem around to the other side or getting a riser or something. But I can't see any reason why you wouldn't want them a little bit longer. That being said, we're good to go. Put these on, baby. So it's gonna be a little while. I got some other projects going on. And hopefully tomorrow and Sunday I'm gonna get out for some short rides because the weather's warming up into the middle 40s. Oh boy. All right, man, that's it. That's all I got for now. See ya.